Hey guys, this is one of those spontaneous drives kasi alam nyo, gas is actually affordable today. So why not? Nag-usap lang kami ni Dave at eto na, nasa daan na kami. So for today, we decided to explore David Thompson Country. Buti na lang maganda ang panahon ngayon. It has clear skies and sunny. Kahit malamig, it's still perfect for a long drive. Ayan, nadaanan namin ang town ng Bentley from Edmonton and we are going to the Rocky Mountain House. So, this is the condition of the road. Mapapansin nyo, nag-iiba na ang kulay ng paligid. It's already fall here in Canada. So, yung ibang puno, wala ng dahon. Yung iba, tuyo na. But I'm still hoping to see more of yellow colors. A typical view when driving in Alberta are the farm field. Ayan, those are hays, pagkain ng mga baka when fresh pasture is unavailable during winter. At ayan, cattle ranch naman sa kabila. Ang daming baka guys. Alam nyo ba na the province of Alberta is the largest beef producer in Canada? Anyways, dito naman tayo. Tingnan nyo yung puno, yung dilaw. Those are large trees. Large trees will turn into golden yellow in fall. Kaya ang gandang tingnan. After 2 hours drive, andito na kami ngayon sa Rocky Mountain House. Nagpagas lang kami at balik ulit sa driving. Ang napansin ko lang sa rotang to, wala masyadong sasakyan. Kung meron man pa isa-isa, it's not that busy at all. It's quiet. Kahit nung summer, I remember, hindi din gaanong busy. Konti lang yata ang bumibisita dito. Which is I like. Ayoko nung masyadong crowded. As you can see guys, we are driving now in a dirt road kasi papunta na kami ng Ram Falls Provincial Park. This is our first time to visit the place. Kaya medyo excited din kami. At the same time, medyo kinakabahan din kasi parang walang ibang tao. Wala man lang kaming nakakasalubong na mga sasakyan. Buti na lang to, at least may nakasalubong man lang kaming bakang nakaharang. Pip 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 pip. Pwede naman sa ikaw anak, diri. Tay. Uy tay, nakulbaan siya tay. Ayaw kay basing ma-aggressive siya. Sorry, nakuyawan ka? At ayan pa oh, may isa pang tumatawid. I think they are free-range cattle kasi they have the freedom to roam around. Alam nyo ba na mas masarap ang beef ng free-range cattle dahil sa natural diet nila, tapos yung freedom to roam around reduces stress, kaya it impacts the meat quality and tenderness. In short, a happy cow tastes better. Hindi lang baka kundi meron ding mga kabayo ang nadaanan namin. Furthermore, this is the view of the mountains dusted in snow. Ganda! And right here, we have to stop kasi sobrang ganda ng view. I can't resist. I have to take a photo. Alam nyo na, pang Instagram. Continuing on, kaya din siguro wala masyadong pumupunta dito kasi parang sobrang layo. Tapos, dirt road pa yung daan. But the road is not that bad at all, especially this time of the year at may snow na. But the only thing is that kailangan namin i-car wash ang aming sasakyan pagka-uwian. Anyways, nag-enjoy naman kami because of the scenic view. Tapos dito, medyo natakot ako ng konti kasi pababa. Tapos, parang black ice pa yung dinadaanan namin. Buti na lang naka-winter tire na kami. And we are crossing the bridge. At ito na siguro yung river na connected to the Ram Falls. That means malapit na kami. At yan, may nakita na akong signage. Welcome to Ram Falls Provincial Park.
Hello, mountain goat.
So, we are here. We finally arrived at our first destination, which is the Ram Falls Provincial Park. At mukhang kami lang ang nandito. So, nakapag-park na kami at ito may signage naman na nagsasabing viewpoint that way. So, sinundan lang namin to. Yan, sinimulan na namin ang paglalakad papunta sa falls. At kung makikita nyo, ice na yung nilalakaran namin. Hindi pa naman kami masyadong prepared sa suot naming mga sapatos for this condition. In a short walk, narating na din namin ang platform going down to the viewpoint. So, mas easy access na lang para makita ang falls. And as you can see, that's the falls right there. And on the other side is the beautiful view of the canyon. Hello. Say hi, Dave. Yeah. After enjoying the view and taking a few photos, we are now heading to Abraham Lake. From Ram Falls to Abraham Lake, feeling ko ang layo-layo ng biyahe namin kasi dirt road pa yung daan, tapos parang ang tagal naming makalabas sa highway. Kaya nung nakita ko talaga yung highway, I said, thank God, finally! At andito na kami sa Abraham Lake. Ang ganda talaga dito guys. Parang natural na glacial lake lang. Pero here's the fun fact. This is a man-made lake. Ginawa siya back then in 1972 when the Bighorn Dam was built on the North Saskatchewan River. Pero kahit artificial, it still gets its beautiful turquoise blue color. Tapos, in winter, maganda ding bumisita dito because it's famous for those frozen methane bubbles trapped under the ice. Anyways, dahil lunchtime na, maghahanap muna kami ng magandang spot para kumain. I think nakahanap na kami ng magandang spot para mag-lunch. Ang ganda ng view, perfect for a quick break. Hello guys! So, may karon sa nice view. Mga ondeme o lunch. So, ang amo ang baon kay, syempre, naami rice. Asa naman ako? Oy, kagay. Ambot kung init pa ba ni? Rice. Tapos, katawanan kayo. Pero kay bugnaw man ang panahon, nagbaon mi og tinulang isda. Tapos ipakita atong view, Dave. Nice kayo. Kamao niya mong sabaw, tinulang isda na tuna. So, mga unta! Gutom akong driver. Pagkatapos kumain, time to relax and enjoy the view. Ang sarap ng hangin, super refreshing. Alright, on the road na tayo guys. Ang ganda ng paligid, sobrang relaxing panoorin habang nagda-drive. Every turn, iba't ibang view ng mountains and the lake. By the way guys, alam nyo ba na ang Abraham Lake is also a camping area? Kaya ngayon, nag-iikot muna kami para maghanap ng magandang camping site. Now, next stop is we're going to Windy Point. Guys! Now, I get it. Kaya pala tinawag itong Windy Point kasi literally, super windy. Pero ang ganda pa rin dito guys kahit mahangin. Ayan, ready na kami for our next destination, which is the Bighorn Dam. Ayan, may nakita kaming deer. Hello deer. So, andito na kami sa Bighorn Dam. So, this is the place. Yes, this is the reason kung bakit nag-exist ang Abraham Lake. After checking out Bighorn Dam, diretso na kami sa Crescent Falls. Sorry, hindi ko na nakuna ng video yung drive papunta dito. Pero ayun na nga, we're finally here. We visited the place before, pero wala pang staircase dati. So ngayon, there's a new safe staircase going to the lower viewing platform. At andito na kami sa baba, which is really nice. Kami lang ang nandito, walang kalaban. Kaya sinulit na namin ang pagkakataon. And that was our last stop. Uwian na! It's time to head home. I hope you guys enjoyed our one-day getaway here in David Thompson Country. And maybe consider it as your next adventure. Until next time, bye!